Focus, maintain balance. Again, if you need to tap your toe, tap your toe. Starting position. Feet hip-width apart, toes pointed forward, shoulders back and core tight. From this position, you're going to step forward into a lunge, control yourself down, then push off into a reverse lunge. Then come back into starting position. That is 1 rep. We perform a total of 12 reps on each leg. You ready? Let's go. Step forward, nice and controlled, push off, sit into it. Excellent. Step forward, nice and controlled, push off, sit into it. Great job. Focus on maintaining form, posture, position. Take your time. This is a challenging exercise. This will also get your heart rate up. Focus. Great job. 6 more. Excellent. Last 2 coming up. Last 1. Excellent. Now we're going to transition to the left leg. Step forward, push back. Excellent. Take your time. This is a challenging exercise. Focus on form and position. If you get tired, need to catch your balance, you can tap your foot right here at neutral position and continue. Great job. Excellent. Focus. We have 5 more. Great job. Focus. Maintain balance. Again, if you need to tap your toe, tap your toe. Last 1. Great job.